Nice. Hang in there. Yeah.
Good hand jam right there.
Sweet. Oh yeah,
right,
they all look like shit, or they look stupid, or you can't even tell
I think that's the best.
on it because the features are hidden. It looks like it's classy and it's not. And,
Yeah.
The person who is climbing right now is Allison Kreutzen, and the belayer is Holly Sampson. And no, I don't know what else to say.
Oh, what's she doing?
Belaying.
Oh, that's a mental move there.
We'll call this Women on Rock.
Okay. What's the man on rock?
I don't know, but this is Women on Rock.
We could make a slideshow out of this. But not a whole bunch of people, different people, just like some people like Holly and Allison and Catherine and stuff like that. And I'll tell some stuff. Or we can call it Little Woman on Rock or something.
Close up on Allison Kreutzen. Extreme Woman Climber, 1995. Look at that reach. Oh my God.
Fine.
And then there's a diagonally crack up to the tree. Looks real slopey. Yeah, it's really fun though. It looks kind of mellow from here, but it's really cool. Neat. Jelly roll arch. Sweet.
Doing great. I like that toe heel thing. That's really, it's ingenious. I will be careful.
Ah. Yeah. Work your left hand out as far as you can there. Yeah. Up here.
Oh shit.
Move that heel back.
to look at small things.
Yeah. What's it made up of?
Microscope?
Yeah.
Oh, I smell cookies. Take a picture of the cookies. Oh, you're gonna knock them over.
Oh yeah, there they are.
We'll need some for provisions on our hike.
I'm getting shy.
Oh, that's okay, Allison. No big deal. Yeah, just explain it to me.
I don't know it yet.
No way!
It was something I learned 3 months ago. I have to relearn it.
So all this studying, has only like a 3-month retention period?
It's deep, deep down in my neurons, and I have to find it. No, it wouldn't be in my neurons, it'd be in my gray matter.
Okay, makeup of the brain then.
Ask me next week.